Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to change the app icons on your iPhone. So actually we can't change the app icons itself, but we can add a shortcut for our application. So it's quite easy, although you might think it's some very complex thing. At first we need to open shortcuts, so type here shortcuts and open the shortcuts app. Here now tap this plus icon in the top right corner, and here tap open app. Here tap on this app here and select what app you want to open. So for example, let me search for the Gmail, for example, here, and now we have to tap on the app thumbnail and tap add to home screen. And what we have to do now is to tap image. Here choose photo or take a photo or choose file. Here, as you can see, we have cool dog over here. We have to tap choose, and now we can tap add. And apart from that, we can go back to the shortcuts app, tap on this one, this thumbnail as earlier, tap rename, and we can name it as Gmail and tap tick icon. Now we can leave the shortcuts app. Here open app free because it's not renamed, and now as you can see it's opening our Gmail application. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, and if you have any drawbacks or questions, ask them in the comments below. And goodbye.